It's 8 p.m. at an apartment complex in Waukesha, Wisconsin, where police respond after one teen's alleged outburst over a denied sleepover is about to take a deadly turn.
Ariana sauce. Let me try to knock him out.
I was right behind you.
Can I help you?
We're just here to talk to Ronnie. I need to get a quick statement about something he was involved in a couple days ago.
Officers identify the suspect seen here as 17-year-old Ronnie Fuentes, whose alleged altercation with his uncle 4 days prior took a serious turn when the man's health suddenly declined, leading to hospitalization, and he called to police, according to an incident report.
Can I just sign this open? Can I just burst this open and go, Hey, how's it going, man? No weapons in your coat or anything, dude? Okay, can I check? No, you can keep it on. Just make sure there's like no knives in here, anything crazy like that. Appreciate you. Oh, it's a pencil. I was like, what is sharp in there?
Go ahead, take that.
You doing homework or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
Got an inside pocket.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for letting me know. So we're here about what happened with Adam. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I'll just really pick him up. I mean, I just talked to him. He's hurting, but he'll be all right.
That's good.
What's going on with that?
We just got into like an argument, and then and then like we got mad at each other, and then we just like started fighting. It wasn't like too long. It was like 30 seconds, but like that was it.
Okay. Sounds like this was over whether or not someone could stay here.
Yeah.
Who was that?
It was one of my friends.
What's their name? What?
I don't know his last name.
You don't know his last name?
What's that? Said it took 3.
They're riding together.
Oh.
It's just two, really. You don't know his last name? Did he go to school with you? What, North?
North. Okay.
No, not Butler.
Okay. Who else stays here?
It's just me, Mom, Adam, and then her.
Your name is?
Yeah. I thought that would have been somewhere already in there.
This is the first time I've ever been here.
I meant because of the information you have already gotten while you're here in the first place.
Okay. But you live here with Adam?
Uh-huh.
Okay. For how long?
For like
Since Adam was in?
years.
Okay. Unfortunately, anytime two adults live together, in the eyes of the law, 17 is an adult. Anytime two adults live together and get into a confrontation, we're mandated to make an arrest in that situation. Whether he wanted to press charges or not, we'd still have to take it back to the station and take a statement from you.
Just got my statement.
Okay, but you're under arrest. So I gotta have you put your hands behind your back. You can keep your coat on. It's fine. It's cold out here.
Appreciate you cooperating. You ever been arrested for this?
Not even uncooperative. This is ridiculous. Where is your phone?
We'll grab the property off them. We'll have the property.
I'm sorry, I missed that. You got to bring something with you?
Huh?
Is there something you want to bring with you, or what?
Like what? Like wallet?
Phone, wallet, keys, anything?
You want the phone to stay with me or go with you?
Go with me, because, like,
Then where's your phone?
it should be inside, I think.
You just said
Well, I
give
thought
her
it was
the
in my phone. I mean,
Alright.
my pocket.
She'll grab it for you.
Yeah, but you just said.
Before we get in the car, I just gotta do a better search of you. Alright. Spread your feet. Appreciate the cooperation there, dude. It does go a long way. That's right. I can hold it.
You got left.
Pardon, though.
You got stuff. Yeah.
Now, we join other officers hours earlier as they catch up with Ronnie's uncle, identified as 45-year-old Adam Thompson, in the hospital.
What's your name, sir?
Adam.
Adam. Dan. Nice to meet you. Sorry to meet you like this, though. I know a little bit. Can you kind of fill us in what led up to this point?
My nephew thought to be
He's having difficulty talking.
Yeah, they briefed us on that, so we had nothing but time. Do you live
His
with?
boyfriend.
Does he live with the nephew that did this?
Yes.
Okay.
Basically, what he told me was Ronnie.
The nephew.
17.
He had a friend over, and his mom had told him that he can't sleep over, and then the last minute, it was time for him to go, and Adam had said he can't be staying overnight, and Ronnie slipped out. And
Okay. So Ronnie flipped out. And he attacked you.
he stood up. He told me to shut my mouth, and I was like, I'm not gonna do that, and he said, you better, and I was like, or what? And he stood up, punched him in the face. I punched him, self-defense, and he just went ham on me.
like, just
He hit you in the back,
Yeah,
hit you in the head, hit you in
Yeah.
the jaw.
yeah,
He just wailed on him
and chest.
in chest.
And I just had open heart surgery in April.
In April.
and now he has a brain bleed.
Adam says he did not seek immediate medical attention following the alleged attack, but in the days that followed, multiple concerning symptoms arose, leading to his hospitalization and discovery of a brain bleed.
It happened Sunday. He complained about a migraine. Really bad headache.
Monday.
And then he told his mom about this incident on Monday, and that's when he said he had the headache. And then What happened? Nothing
She talked to
happened
him,
Tuesday?
I talked to her this morning.
I had a headache.
He's like, Adam, what's going on? It sounds like you're
He couldn't talk.
And she's like, I'm on my way. And she brought him up here, and he supposedly had a seizure because of the brain line.
11 days after this interview, Adam died following a surgery to alleviate swelling on his brain after the 45-year-old's health continued to decline, according to an incident report. A medical examiner would later rule the death a homicide, concluding that Adam died from complications of a head injury and blunt force trauma, noting the victim's pre-existing conditions as contributing factors.
He's had open heart surgery.
Yeah.
He has thyroid problems. He doesn't need someone to be on him.
Right.
And when my sister,
That's actually a bless.
And now you add this to it, this is not my funny.
Next, Adam explains what led up to the alleged altercation.
My sister had already told him no.
For the kid to sleep over.
And
Right.
he's just gonna be bringing it upon himself to
Just have him do it anyway.
yes, and man, why? What bring me to say is that and to let him know that it's
That's why he told, or Ronnie, that he is not allowed to have him sleep over. Because his mom already told him no.
Okay.
Well, after he started hitting him and pounding on him, he actually was cool in front of his friend. So it was like,
he goes, "See, Adam, I can take you down."
Hours later, Ronnie arrives at the police station, where investigators have plenty of questions for him.
You can step up.
Alright, I get this. A little bit more comfortable at least.
Yeah.
Alright, so really no question why we're here, right? I'd like to get your side of the story, like officially. I know we talked at your house, but that's up to you. Now that you're in custody, I do have to read you your Miranda rights, like you see on TV. And then if you want to speak with me or answer questions, that's up to you. All right, but I do have to read these to you first. Before we get to that, though, I just gotta fill out this top portion. I already know most of it. Are you working right now?
No.
You're a student, though, right?
Yeah.
And you got no kids?
No.
Are you a junior or senior?
I'm a junior.
Excuse me. So, you do have the right to remain silent. If you decide to give up that right, anything you say may be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with an attorney and have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you by the court. Understanding those above rights, you're willing to speak with me right now? No? Then just a signature on the bottom there. I'm not going to ask you any direct questions regarding the case.
Ronnie declines to speak further and ends the interview. But back with the victim and other family members, we learn this isn't exactly the teen's first rodeo with the law.
we can't keep letting the kid get away with doing this stuff.
He has a case out there.
Oh, he's about to have another one.
Yeah.
Because
He almost killed him.
the fact that you guys live together, whether you want to press charges or not,
I want to.
Okay. Even if you did it, we were going to go arrest him.
Thank you.
So,
He has a history, and apparently he has been ordered to go for anger management.
okay.
September 2024. Court records show Ronnie was charged with criminal property damage in a case that was pending at the time of the alleged attack against his uncle. That charge has since been dismissed.
I have to read this whole form to you verbatim. So just, again, bear with me. This is going to talk about like domestic violence and stuff like that. The short version of this that I can tell you is that there's a 3-day restraining order that comes with this between you and your uncle, right?
So we have to like be a part.
Correct. So and that includes electronic communications and everything. You can't call him, text him. Go to I don't know when he's getting released from the hospital, but if he goes home, you can't be there. You gotta find someplace else for 3 days. All right. After the 3 days is up, then this goes away. But for the next 72 hours from whenever you got taken into custody, it's no contact with Adam.
All right.
All right. So you just sign this on the bottom. Press hard because it's got to go through all these copies.
All right.
Oh, top left, sorry.
Oh, my bad.
You're fine. Do you have any questions for me?
Rich.
All right.
Oh, so this is just like so I can like go. I just make sure I don't go in contact with him for 2 hours.
So you do have to see a judge on this one. So you're under arrest for aggravated battery because of the level of his injuries. So
His battery, like
causing pain to somebody else is battery. So yeah, I do have to take you to jail tonight. You're gonna see a judge right away tomorrow though, and then it's literally up to the judge if you get like a bail or if he just lets you out, or it doesn't sound like you have a huge history, right? So it'll be the judge's decision on like a signature bond where you just sign a thing and you get let go, or if you or somebody else has to post money. But from here, we are heading over to the county jail, and then right away tomorrow you see that judge. So you more or less just gotta sleep there tonight.
Alright.
So, but yeah, that decision is up to them. That has nothing to do with us.
Alright.
So, but this is your copy saying that you're not going to do this in the next 3 days.
Alright.
So, I'll be right here, just filling out another piece of paperwork you can show. We'll give you your shoes and your coat back for the ride over.
Moments later, another officer steps in to photograph Ronnie's hands.
Is it your pinky finger or your pointer finger that's the weakest?
I have no idea. Do you want to just put your hands flat?
Do you want to lock it together?
Sure. Flip them over.
There you go. And then we'll do it with palms.
Okay. Thank you.
While Ronnie continues the booking process, let's return to the hospital, where family members speak further with police.
His sister told him
That he was in the hospital.
that he's,
Ideally,
you know, what you did to Adam. He's in the hospital.
Yeah, so does fine. You're not diabetic.
So he's aware of
He's
possible.
That's fine.
He knows now that he's up here,
Does he?
and he got he got really surprised apparently, and said, "Why is he in the hospital?"
Don't let him fool you.
Because he's
Doesn't matter,
having a
Chloe.
massive brain bleed from when you beat him.
Okay, you can't have cherry just because.
And he's
we're gonna
denying
do that scan.
He's
tomorrow,
going
so
to
you wanna
deny
Italian ice?
beating him
Okay.
to that. He's probably going to deny it.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want?
But I guess he
Green
feels
or
bad.
orange?
Any of your
And
glasses
my
on your
niece
head?
said,
Okay.
you hit him in the heart. He just had
That
heart
was the broth,
surgery.
the chicken beef or
And I guess he
vegetable?
started crying. He said, I forgot all about that. Well, of course, when you're in a rage, you
So we'll
don't
do the
think,
chicken.
oh, should I
orange
hit him or
popsicle.
not? Because
Well, you just kind of do your own thing.
Yeah.
Beat up the bag.
I don't have a bag.
No?
I wish I had a bag. I just like practice just like straights.
A little shadow boxing?
Yeah. Just working on my posture.
There you go. So, have you ever been here before?
Once.
Once? Okay, so you know that they come out, they take the handcuffs off,
Yeah.
they search you again, and then... Hello. Sorry to bother you. Do you have the paperwork for Ronnie Fuentes? Did that get brought over to you?
For what? I've got the booking.
That's what I mean.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta add a bail jumping, I just realized.
Oh, okay. Let me grab that.
Bro, you got an open case. Doesn't change much. It's called bail jumping. It's,
When you're done?
yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You got an open case right now. So you can't, it's just that you can't commit any new crimes while you're out on bail.
Ronnie was initially charged with aggravated battery, but that charge was later upgraded to felony murder following his uncle's death. Court records show the now 18-year-old was found guilty by a jury and sentenced to 4 years behind bars, followed by an additional 4 years of extended supervision. Subscribe now for easier access to the latest